Hey, so we are talking about affiliate marketing on YouTube, and in this video, we're going to go over how to get in front of your audience. Now, what I want you to remember are there are two specific things that you need to know about getting in front of your audience, and that's kind of a foundation, and everything else you'll build up from there. So I'm going to go ahead and go over these two things right now, and then we'll talk about the other things as we go along in this video series. All right, so the first thing I want you to think about is you need your videos to get ranked on YouTube. People need to see them. So when you upload your videos, sometimes people will put their video out there and then it will be nowhere. They can't find it. And oftentimes they will blame things like, other channels have way more views. Other people are more interesting. They'll come up with all kinds of reasons as to why their video is not ranking up towards the top when people search for certain terms. And if you aren't familiar with the term ranking, I simply mean people search for, how to get your dog to sit. You want your video to pop up when that actually happens. So again, you want your video to be ranking. You want it to be up in the first few videos. And the way I want you to think of this is think of it kind of like getting your house on the market, right? In order for people to even know that your house is there and purchasable, I guess you could say, they need to know that your house is there. Like you've got to get it out there. Austin Kleon says, in order to be found, you must be findable. So if you are putting your video content on YouTube, it needs to rank. It needs to be seen. It needs to be findable. All right, so the second thing you need to think about is you need an eye-catching thumbnail, something that stands out amongst the other thumbnails when people are looking for your video. So it doesn't really matter if your video is really helpful and it's going to serve your audience. If people don't click on it and watch it, then people are not going to be served by your video. So think about the last time you were on YouTube and you were searching for something, right? So maybe your kitchen sink is leaking and you need to know how to fix that. You're going to type in how to fix a leaking kitchen sink or something along those lines, and a bunch of thumbnails are going to pop up. All right, think about the things that make you click on those. Does the thumbnail show a picture of a forest? If so, why would you click on that? Does the thumbnail show a lot of weird things, or does it show what you're looking for, something that grabs your attention and makes you click on that? And that's really what you're looking for. You're wanting something that stands out from all the other thumbnails and will encourage that click. All right, we're going to talk about ranking your videos a little later on in the series, but in the next video, we're going to open up Canva, which is a program that I really like, and we're going to go ahead and design an eye-catching thumbnail so that you will know how to actually do that. You can go implement this, so keep an eye out for that in the next video. All right, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video.